decides to break and stop working right after I finished the RX-7 and got everything working and ready for the drift event. The daily stops working, and now I can't go to work because, you know, I deliver pizzas and I need to drive this car to work, you know? So, yeah, check this out. The alternator is back, so doesn't want to start. There was a burning smell coming from the alternator when I opened up the engine bay. So let me show you guys what it looks like right now. So take a look in there, way down there. Take a look. As you can see, the alternator is pretty burnt up, and it doesn't work anymore. So this car, I can't drive it. So I'm gonna have to drive the RX-7. Whether or not I'm gonna go to the drift event this weekend, I don't know, man. It's just stupid. I need to replace the alternator, so I have to get that done. Alright, so the car is finally getting towed, so I'm heading over to Andrew's house to drop the car off. Then I'm gonna get the RX-7 back on the road. It's already insured, so I'm gonna be driving it tonight so I can get home and go to work tomorrow, and then obviously I'll sort out getting the car registered and everything tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna be going to the drift event. I probably will because I really want to anyways, but I'm gonna have to get another job or something and find something to support all this bull crap.
Mustang convertible with a blown motor.
Alright, so I just got a tow and the Focus is here, so I'm gonna go back to the back of the yard, grab the RX-7 and get the hell out of here and go home. Whew. So I just picked up some parts for the RX-7 today. There's not really that many stuff I need to really do right now. Just bought some minor stuff. I've been doing a lot of minor stuff to the car, and I really haven't been really filming it because I feel like it's just not really that important or interesting to film. But you know, I'm gonna film this what I'm doing today because I've been driving the car for about 2 days now, and I didn't film it. The Focus broke down, as you see. So I drove it all yesterday, and I went to work and everything, and I fixed a lot of other things and cleaned up the car a little bit, make it more presentable, you know. And I'm having pretty much a lot of fun right now. I just finished installing the boot right here, the shifter boot or whatever, rubber boot, so I can stop getting all the fumes and hot air blasting up from the center console right here, from the trans tunnel right into my face and all into the cabin, making it super hard to drive the car. Like, it's really hot in here, man. I don't have AC, and I live in Florida, remember, guys. But anyways, right now I'm gonna put some Velcro right up here so this will stay up, and then I'm gonna go put some cotter pins in my tie rods. Alright, I got the Velcro in, you can see right here. Boom. And it's right here again. Makes it stay up. Alright, we just finished up those simple mods, so now I'm going to go over to the park where there's some shade, so I can actually, jack up the front of the car and start installing the cotter pins for the tie rods. So let's go do that. Cotter pin is installed and all is well. I can see it was loosening it up. So if I kept driving the car, I would have probably crashed eventually. Alright, so obviously you can see there's some weird issues going on with the car still. Some sort of breakup issue. I don't know what the hell it is anymore. Like, I can't figure this out. What the fuck, man? Something to do with the throttle position sensor or something? I don't know. I just don't know anymore. Alright, so today I was just relaxing, chilling, and I finally hit Percy up and go hang out with him. So this basically is what I'm doing right now. He's taking a photo shoot for his products or whatever he's launching on his website, which is pretty cool.
Let me get that. Let me hold that shit up.
As you can see, he drives an Integra, and it's pretty freaking clean. It's finally getting close to being done. It's pretty dope. So close, bro. Oh. It's pretty close to being done, so it's pretty cool. He's being a model for his product right now on his website. Being stupid.
Hey, you want them, bro? They size 11.5, bro. You going? You good? You got the shot?
Oh shit.
I mean, his car's getting pretty mint, man. Like, I remember when I was talking to him, he was like, he was gonna go all motor, and I was like, bro, no, you gotta go turbo, and he finally did. So it was it's pretty dope. You know what I just realized? I've been filming in 120 FPS this whole time, so actually I'm just gonna use this to my advantage and make some cinematic shots. Yo, dude, that's the movie I watched today.
Yeah.
Yo, Black Panther was really good. It met my expectations, but I didn't really have to set the bar high because I didn't know what to expect.
Randy thought the Black Panther movie was about in the 60s and shit. That's what I thought.
Oh.
What?
KKK kill him.
Oh, he's talking about the Black Power
real commercial. Yeah, I'm like, have you seen the commercial? Like, flying jets and shit. Hey, where they kill all the white people and shit at? What the fuck you talking about? I wasn't in the fucking trailer. I just said, oh, Black Panther. Yeah, fuck it.
It really does like sound like a freaking black movement.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Black Panther. It's all the black people did. They made it seem like that's what it was about. I thought it was gonna be about that. It said Marvel in the opening credits, bitch. Watch the trailer, bitch. What do you mean didn't watch the trailer? Oh, yo, that looks lit. Didn't watch the trailer. Hear the name Black. Oh yeah, that looks lit, bro. Get that. This was not what I was expecting.
Oh my god. So we wrapped up doing the photo shoot and whatever for his business, you know, his YouTube channel and everything. So I don't know what's gonna go on. I need to get gas, you know, driving an RX-7, and I really want to talk about something else. Update you guys on a lot of things. Oh man. So I just got home and started editing and totally forgot I didn't even finish the video. But basically, I was gonna go talk about some deep stuff and be all like deep into like talk about motivation and whatnot when it comes to drifting and filming and YouTube and all this stuff. But I'm gonna save that for another video and basically just wrap this one up real quick so I can have something to upload this week, and I'll be back on the grind next week uploading, you know, 2 videos a week. I wish I could upload it every other day, but I mean, not rich, man, so it takes time, it takes money. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Please hit the subscribe button and keep it straight. Drive sideways.